business portal, within the employee section, you will have access to Roost. Now, Roost, as I told you, it is task management where your managers can assign tasks to your team members. So, over here, the manager needs to click on Add a Task button, and they can mention the task title. They can select under which project this task needs to be done. So, they can mention the bucket over here. They can prioritize it as low, medium, or high as per the requirement. They can mention the due date, like by when this task needs to be completed. So, they can select the due date over here. They can mention the description, like what work needs to be done on this particular task, and then they can assign it to the concerned team member whom they want this task to complete. Now, if they want this task to be made as recurring, that can also be done. They can mention the start date of this recurring task. What will be the recurring frequency? Will it be weekly? If it is weekly, then on which day of the week it has to be recurred? They can select from here. Similarly, in case of a monthly, they can select on which date of the month this task needs to be recurred. Similarly, quarterly, they can select on which date of the quarter they need to send this particular task. So this is how the manager can assign the task to their team member, and they can add that particular task to that team member. Once the team member receives, so that team member can view the tasks which are assigned to them over here. Now, the team member can either change their status to as complete. They can view any comments if they have written. Now, if a particular employee, I want to see what all tasks are assigned to me for a particular project, so all projects and all status if we check. So as you can see, the various tasks which were assigned to that particular employee, they can view it over here. So in case if the employee, if the task is still pending and if they have not completed, and in case if this particular task is completed by that employee, they can click on the complete button. Else, whatever comments they have written up till now, they can view those comments over here. If a new comment they want to write, they can write a comment. They can even upload the relevant file over here, and they can add comments. In case if they want to add a subtask to this particular task, that can also be done. So they can mention the subtask title. They can prioritize it as low, medium, or high. They can mention the due date, like by when this subtask needs to be completed. Now, the due date of the subtask should always be way before the due date of the main task. They can mention the description, and they can assign it to the third person for completion of the subtask, and they can add the subtask. So each task can be added with multiple subtasks if required. And if they want to clone this particular task, that can also be done by the manager. They can even edit this task if required, and they can even delete the task. So these are the actions that they can do with the task management platform that we provide. So this is about Roost.